In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth spin transition inside DaVinci Resolve. Start by going to the Effects panel and searching for Adjustment Clip. Drag it above your cut point on the timeline and set its duration to about 12 frames. Once that's done, select the clip and head over to the Fusion page. Inside Fusion, select the Media in 1 node, then press Shift and Space to open the Select Tool window. Type Transform, choose the standard Transform node, not the one labeled XF, and add it. Now, make sure your playhead is at the very start of the clip. In the inspector, set the rotation angle to 360 degrees and add a keyframe. Then move the playhead to the end of the clip and change the rotation back to 0. This will complete the spin motion. Next, scroll down to the Motion Blur section and turn it all the way up for a smoother look. Under Advanced Options, change the Edge behavior to Reflect to prevent any black edges from showing during the rotation. And that's it! You've just created a clean and dynamic spin transition in DaVinci Resolve.